Have you ever wondered how sugar is made? Well, today's your lucky day as we delve into the fascinating world of sugar manufacturing. Sugar, that sweet magical dust that's been a part of our lives for centuries, has a rich and intricate history. The art of sugar production is not a recent phenomenon. Rather, it is a practice that has been refined over generations, with modern techniques drawing heavily from ancient methods. The story of sugar begins with its two main protagonists: the tall tropical sugarcane and the hardy temperate sugar beet. These two crops are the primary sources of sugar, each with its own unique characteristics and contribution to the final product. The journey of sugar, from these humble crops to the sweet crystals we sprinkle on our morning cereal, is a complex and fascinating one. So, let's get ready to be amazed by the intricate process of turning these crops into the sweet crystals we all know and love. Our sugar journey begins in the fields where farmers grow sugarcane or sugar beets. This is where the magic starts, with nature's own bounty. Sugarcane, a tall, sturdy grass, thrives in tropical climates, while sugar beets, a root crop, prefers the cooler, temperate climates. When it's time for harvest, the farmers swing into action. For sugarcane, the process is quite straightforward. The cane stalks are cut down, usually by machine, though in some places, they're still harvested by hand. The cut stalks are then bundled up and sent to the factory. On the other hand, sugar beets undergo a slightly different process. These earthy gems are pulled from the ground, often leaving a small eruption of soil in their wake. They are then cleaned to remove any clinging dirt before they too are sent off to the factory. Once harvested, the crops are now ready to embark on their transformation journey. Welcome to the factory, where our crops will undergo their first major transformation. Here, the journey of the humble sugarcane or beet truly begins as it's crushed and boiled under intense heat. This process, known as milling, extracts the raw, honeyed juice that is sugar in its most nascent form, but it's far from the white crystals we're used to seeing on our tables. This juice, laden with natural sweetness, is now murky with impurities. To purify it, we employ a process known as clarification. In this stage, the juice is heated once more, this time with lime and sulfur dioxide. These additions cause impurities to coalesce and form a thick layer of scum, which is skimmed off, leaving us with a clear amber liquid. After clarification, we're left with a sweet syrup that's ready for the next stage. This transformation from raw crop to sweet nectar is the first step in the journey of sugar. Now, it's time to crystallize our sweet syrup and refine it into the sugar we use every day. Imagine the syrup as a bustling city. The evaporation process is like a heat wave sweeping through, forcing the sugar citizens to huddle together, forming crystals. These crystals are like miniature rock candy formations and just as sweet. Next, these newly formed sugar crystals embark on a whirlwind ride in a centrifuge. It's essentially a high-speed merry-go-round that spins the sugar at immense speeds. The aim? To shake off any lingering liquid, leaving only the crystallized sugar behind. The final step in this sweet journey is refining. This is like a meticulous cleaning crew sweeping through, ensuring that the sugar is pure and free from any non-sugar elements. It's a detailed process, but it's what gives us that clean, sweet taste we know and love. Now, we have our refined sugar, ready to sweeten up our lives. The final stage of our sugar journey is packaging and distribution. Once the sugar has been refined and crystallized, it's time to get it ready for its final destination. This process begins with packaging. The sugar is transferred into bags or boxes, ready to be transported far and wide. It's a meticulous process, ensuring that each package contains the perfect quantity of sugar, with no room for error. From here, the sugar begins its journey to stores, factories, and homes around the globe. It may end up in your local grocery store, a bakery halfway across the world, or even in a pharmaceutical lab creating life-saving medicines. Sugar, in its many forms and uses, finds its way into a wide range of products beyond just food and drinks. It's an essential ingredient in medicines, cosmetics, and even industrial goods. And there you have it, from field to table, the fascinating journey of sugar manufacturing. Next time you sweeten your coffee or bake a cake, remember the intricate process that made it possible.